It's always best to pick a public company for your assignments if you have the option. Public companies are required to file various reports with the SEC, so there is a lot more information available about them. With private companies, you will often find very little information and will need to do a lot of hunting to piece together what little there is. The easiest way to find out if your company is public is to do a search in your favorite search engine for the name of the company and ticker symbol. For example, General Mills and ticker symbol. Here we not only see the ticker symbol GIS, traded on the New York Stock Exchange, but also financial data, both good indicators that this is a public company. If you are having trouble choosing a company, browsing MarketLine can be helpful. On the Business 671 guide, there's a section on choosing a company that explains this in more detail. Let's go ahead and click into the MarketLine Business Information Center. You can search for, or if you've already accessed it, select either Chatham University or JKM Library to enter this database. At the top of the screen, in the black bar, click on Companies. Then select the Industry and Geography section on the left. From here, you can use the Industry section to drill down to the category that most interests you. For example, maybe I'm interested in consumer goods, specifically clothing and footwear, more specifically clothing, and let's say children's wear. Please note though that you can select just clothing and footwear. You don't have to drill all the way down. In this next section, I can limit myself to geographical location, either by headquarter or just company locations. I'm going to go ahead and select the United States of America, and then click on Show Results. Here's a list of possible companies that either make or sell children's wear. Please note that this list includes both private and public companies. Click on the name of a company, and then look for company subtype or ticker symbol to make sure it's public in the Key Stats section. So in this case, the Gap Incorporated is a public company with the ticker symbol GPS.